In for loop, we're passing another loop is called as the nested for loop. It's called as a nested for loop. What are the examples are present? We'll discuss here. So this program is represented nested for loop. Okay. So what it says, first we are defining three variables. One is int I, int j, and row. So three variable we define, that is accepting the number of row, how many row we want to print. Okay. Suppose I run this file. They are asking me how many row I want to print. Suppose I pass here 5. Here, star, double star, triple star, 4 star, then 5 star. Okay, int ij row, enter the number of row. So we are entering number of row is 5. Int I equals to 1. So 1 is less than 5. Condition is true, 1 is less than 5. Then it is going to the inner loop. Inner loop, it is initialized to 1. So 1 is less than 5. Condition is true. Okay. So j is less than equal to I. J value is 1. I value is 1. So 1 is less than 1. No, 1 is 1. True. Then it is printing you star. Okay. Then it is more common. J value increment is 2. 2 is less than 1.
J ଜିନିଷଟା କଣ ନିଏଛି? I ଜିନିଷଟା ସେଟା କଣ ନିଏଛି? ମୁଁ କହିଲି I ଆଉ J ଜିନିଷଟା ସर ମାନେ
ବୁଝିଲା? ଆଇଟା ଆମର ଯିବ J ପାଇଁ। int I J suppose we are passing now 5 is stored where? In rows. So I value is 1. 1 is less than 5. Condition is true. Then it is going to the inner loop. Inner loop J value is 1. 1 is less than 1. No, 1 is equal. Yes. Then it is printing you 1 star. Then J value is increment to 2. 2 is less than 1. Condition is false. When condition is false, it is going to the outer loop. In outer loop, I value is increment to 1 to 2. Now 2 is less than 5. Condition is true. Then it is going to the inner loop. In inner loop, J is again initialized to 1. So 1 is less than 2. Condition is true. Then it is printing you again star. Then 3 is 2. Condition is true. Then 2 condition is off. Then your inner loop is over. Then it will go to the outer loop. Outer loop we are passing /n. Means we pass to the next line. Then I value is increment to 3. So 3 is less than 5. Now it is coming to the inner loop. J equals 1. 2 is less than 3. Condition is true. 3. 3 is less than 3. No. 3 is equal to 3. Condition is true. Then it is printing you star. Okay. So 3 star it is printing you. So similar way, this process is continue up to passing the value is 5. So the last row, if you notice, is the 5 stars. बुझीगला programs are go to it, and if you have any doubts then ask me. Then while loop. The while loop, also known as pre-tested loop, means first your condition is checked. So till your condition is true, the statement within the while loop is executed. Okay, so while loop is also known as pre-tested loop. In general, while loop allows the part of the code to be executed multiple times depending upon the Boolean condition. It can be viewed as a repeating in the statement. The while loop is mostly used in the case where the number of iteration is not known. Means how many times your looping will going on, you don't know. Okay. So at that timing, your while loop is used. So first of all, in the while loop, the condition is has checked. Then after that, the statement is executed. So while is a syntax while condition till your condition is true, the statement within the while loop is executed. Now it is a program which is printing you from 1 to 10. The next program is a reversing a number. So here I run a file. Suppose in 487, the reverse is 784. INTN reverse equals to 0, then remainder. Enter an integer. So we are entering a value 487. Then scan a percentage. So it is accept the number. So while n not equals to 0. Okay. Means 487 is not equals to 0. Condition is true. Then 487 modulo 10. So 487 modulo 10, the remainder is what? 7. The remainder is 7. So 7 is stored where? In remainder part. The reverse equals to reverse into 10. The reverse value is 0. 0 into 10 is 0. 0 plus remainder. Remainder is what? 7. Okay. How it gets 7? 487. We are passing 487 modulo 10. Your remainder is what? 7. So reverse is previously 0. 0 into 10 is 0. So 0 plus 7 is 7. So in the reverse, 7 is stored. And now 487 divided by 10. So when you divide by 10, your quotient is what? 48. 48 is your quotient, so it is stored in the end. Now 48 is not equals to 0, condition is true. Okay. Then 48 modulo 10. 48 modulo 10, remainder is 8. In reverse, we have stored which value? In reverse, already 7 is stored. The 7 into 10 is 70. 70 plus 8 is 78. So in the reverse, 78 is present. Now 48 by 10, your quotient is 4. So 4 is not equals to 0. 4 modulo 10 is 4. In reverse, 78 is there. So 78 into 10 is 780. Remainder is 4. So 784 is the reverse is 2. Then n equals to n by 10. 4 n equals to 4 by 10 is now 0. So 0.4 means your quotient is 0. Now n is 0. So your condition is stop. So your reverse value you are getting 784. Okay. For checking a prime number, I run the file, enter any positive number 67. So 67 is a prime number. Okay. So how it is possible? INTN I flag equals to 0. Okay, so enter a positive number. So we are passing a positive number. Enter a positive number. Percentile D. Then I is equals to 2. 2 is less than equals to n. 2 is less than equals to 67. Yes, 2 is less than 67. 2 is less than equals to n by 2. N by 2 means 67 by 2 is what? 33. That is 33. So 2 is less than is 33. Condition is true. Now n modulo I 67 modulo 2 is equals to 0. No. Then I value is increment to 2. So 2 is less than n by 2. 67 by 2 is 33. 2 is less than 33. Yes. Now 67 modulo modulo 3 is equals to 0. No. Then I value is increment to 4. 4 is less than 33. Yes. 4 is less than 33. Now 67 divisible by 4 is equals to 0. No, condition is false. So I am taking another small number, so it is helping you because it is 67. So looping is going on in the higher mode. Suppose I am passing 5. So 5 is a prime number. Okay, I is a 2. 2 is less than equals to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means it is 2. 2 is less than 2. No, 2 is equals to 2. Yes. 5 modulo 2 is equals to 0. No. 5 modulo 2 is not equal to 0, then I value is increment to 3. 3 is less than equals to n by 2. I by 2 is what? 2. 3 is less than or equals to 2. No. So here your looping is stopped. If n is equals to 1, so it is showing you 1 is neither prime or nor composite. If flag is 0 0, okay, then prime number, it is a prime number. Okay, so here your condition is not true, then automatically what happened? Your for loop is false. When for loop is false, the default value of flag is what? 0. The default value of flag is 0, so it is showing you it is a prime number.
सर एटी फ्लैग जिनसटा कोन
कौन कहलो?
ये फ्लैग जिनसटा कोन माने जो फ्लैग लिखा होची
Flag is a variable only. सेमती किछि नाही. Flag is a variable. कौन से माने वैल्यू सेमती किछि नाही. Clear? That is a prime number example. In the next class, we go for the do while loop, and I'll send the program of this